Jen. I'm from Cape Town and I've been in Thailand for 4 months.
Yeah. Where are you teaching now, Jen?
I'm teaching in a town called Nakhon Pathom
Yeah.
in a high school.
Yeah.
I teach 12-year-olds and 17-year-olds.
Okay. And what do you think about what do you think about the course, the TEFL course you just finished?
The course is great. It's a really good place.
Yeah.
When you walk into the classroom, you're not completely terrified.
Yeah.
So yeah, it really gives you a good foundation.
Would you ever suggest coming to Thailand and not doing the course and started teaching? I mean, do you think you could do it without? Could you teach without doing the course?
I think you could probably survive, but I think the course definitely helps a lot.
Yeah.
Because it's very scary walking in, especially if you have no teaching experience.
All right.
So the course does give you a good base.
Yeah.
A good idea of how to run your classes. Yeah.
And do you have any negatives?
Negatives. No. I love this country. It's fantastic.
Okay.
And,
what do you have to say to guys that are thinking about coming over but haven't quite made a decision yet?
I think you definitely need to experience something like this once in your life.
Yeah.
You just need to accept that things do not always happen on time, and Thailand is a different culture, but if you're willing to accept that and you're willing to enjoy every minute of it, then you can't resist the experience.
Anything you miss about South Africa? I mean, you've got the braais here and everything. Yeah, anything you miss?
Well, obviously, besides the obvious, I miss my family. But technology is great, so you can see them often. Other than that, obviously, I miss hot water. A hot water shower would be nice. I think that's the main thing.
Okay, cool, man. All right.